Adam, why don't you drive the car? Get on the car. I want to get something for America's Funniest Home Videos.
Yeah.
I think that both of them are winded, huh?
Yeah, or it's like for you.
I have another West.
Hello, Adam. You say hi to Abba?
No.
The books? It has to be anyway, other places besides that offer dice that are open.
No, I'm sure. It's not typically a morning thing. Or day thing. These days typically it's more evening and night.
But I'm saying there is other kinds of places that are during the day.
What? Mommy.
Yes?
Dog.
Giraffe. Excellent.
Yes.
And a grasshopper.
This.
Garden.
This.
Giraffe. G. G is for?
Baby. Baby.
B is for baby.
The owl.
It's a quail.
Owl.
It looks like an owl, but it's a quail.
Tiger.
That's right, tiger. T is for tiger. And T is for toothbrush.
A brain.
And the train.
My brain. My brain.
More train? There's only one train.
My brain. My brain. I think he's saying more pain.
You say more train, yeah.
My brain. My brain.
You okay?
What is Jake drinking? Chocolate milk?
Apple juice.
Apple juice, yum. Adam, you want apple juice?
No. No. I want more apple juice. I'm done with.
What do we say?
Peace. Juice. Peace is a cool word. Juice. Juice.
These more juice?
Yeah.
You want juice too, Adam? Or you got your baba?
I want apple juice.
Adam, you want apple juice? Yes or no? No, 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 no. No, why are you doing this, Adam? You know Abba doesn't like it when you do it. Squish!
What?
He's pouring his bottle on the table.
Adam, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Adam, are you listening to Abba? I don't know what's happened to the listening skills, but they're not obviously
Okay.
happening.
Today the behavior is not very good, Adam.
Listen, I don't know what's going on today. I want you to listen. When Mommy says no, hey. When Mommy says no and Abba says no, it's no. Do you hear me?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Jake is over there.
Wants to take his shirt off.
No, his teeth are bothering me. Everything he wants to bite. Maybe we should just give him this sissy.
Maybe.
He's going to give him this pacifier. He's not chewing on everything, so he's bothering him, obviously. Here. No biting. Susie, yeah.
What about lunch? He's not having lunch, Adam?
Are you ready to eat lunch, Adam?
No.
Everything today is no. Why don't you say yes?
Jake, you want to have lunch?
Sure.
What would you like to eat?
Wait.
There's...
Wait, I just figured.
Oh, you want to figure it out?
Everyone's grilled cheese, no?
Do you want me to tell you what your choices are?
You know what? I think when I get home, I did. Okay, now you have I think they won't
What did you say? You think you should have lunch here or at home? I'll tell you what I have here for lunch.
I think I didn't have lunch out here.
You didn't have lunch here?
I'm gonna think they didn't have lunch. Okay? You know what?
No, I don't know. I'll tell you what, we have choice here for lunch if you wanted to eat here. We have grilled cheese.
I like grilled cheese.
You like grilled cheese?
Yeah.
Would you like grilled cheese?
Well, remember I have grilled cheese every day?
You can have grilled cheese. We have macaroni and cheese.
Grilled cheese every day.
See what you do?
Yeah.
So
Adam, no,
Get
get
off.
off.
Get down.
No, he's on the ledge. He's gonna fall.
Okay, so would you like grilled cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll have grilled cheese. Adam?
He's right there again, huh?
Yes, it's just in his mouth. Do your other boys do this, Tina?
Sometimes, yeah. Like hitting the thing, yeah, all the time.
We're gonna have grilled cheese for lunch?
No.
What do you want to have for lunch then? Jake's having grilled cheese.
Today everything is no with Adam.
You want Spider-Man? You want Spider-Man pasta? Huh?
Awesome. I love Spider-Man the movie.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh, I really thank you, Adam. Me too.
Boom. There's we can make some grilled cheese. Cheese. There's downstairs. I'll bring up a new one. We have a whole pack. And
Adam, get on your car.